Every man that comes your way because of that village guy.
Come on, you shouldn't sound like that. He's my first love.
You've gone way above him.
According to you.
Now?
No, Lizzie, remove the ad. Lizzie.
Okay, lizard, but make I come ad. But all of them are. When you see lizard, lizard.
No, remove the ad. Just Lizzie. Not be it. Just Lizzie. Leave am for Lizzie.
Lizzie.
Yes.
Lizzie.
Yes.
Okay. So what would they do for here?
Oh, this is my house.
You're waiting.
My house.
Say they whine me, Abi.
How? This is my house.
What would they do for here? They say this is your house. Which kind of house?
Famished. Yes, famished.
Eliza. Eliza.
Let's go.
Where would they go?
We want to go drop your bags in the room, so we'll go eat in the dining.
Where that one day?
I mean, let's proceed to the dining and eat. That's what I'm saying.
Dana. Oh, well, you make me eat. Me are the hungry.
Let's eat in the dining.
Oh, okay. For
yes.
You said they talk with you, you understand. You go say make we chop for table here.
It's called dining. The dining.
Damn. Okay. But why you go there? Make we dey here sit down now. We'll sit down for here. We'll dey here. They watch film. As me and you dey for here.
Eating my love. We'll eat in the dining. Okay.
Okay.
That's where I'm supposed to eat.
Okay.
Oh, no. Get your bag. Let's go to the room first. Oh, that way. This is where I locked it. So come this way.
Nigeria, if I be leave I go dey forget. So make I dey enter like this.
No. Use it.
What is this one? Can it be far?
It's noodles.
No guinea. If you see the way I just balance my belly, open my belly, see the kind lolo I go swallow now. Eh? No. So which kind bed food be this one now?
No, this is a quick fix. It's actually filling.
What a quick fix? We go fix or Hannah, quick fix or no. Let's go eat belly food. No be waiting.
It's filling on it. Try it. It is.
No be trying matter. No be trying matter. No be waiting I want chop be this. No be waiting I want chop be this. No be waiting I want chop. You know they cook for you.
I'm always working. I don't have time.
You get time now. That the day where you know they work every day. The day where you don't get work, you go cook now.
I'll be resting. This is filling. It has vegetables and all of that. It's nice.
This kind of food person go to eat and see the yawn. No be waiting I want be this.
Try it.
Huh? Say quick piece.
Yeah. So you can't go 1 week without doing it.
They say 1 week. Ha! You don't even say 1 day. You say 1 week. You even say if I not chop for a day, I don't go to function well. My eye no go to see well. Things go deep for my eye. This country, you know, go to chop what you go make you day strong so that you face this country squarely because what thing that happen for this country? If you don't chop any food, breeze go blow you. Some you know this one.
Try this. It's filling. I know you don't like it, but try. You'll be surprised. They do Brazil. Good night.
Right. I think say me and you go stay the same place. Like just like that. As we don't watch film finish, maybe we go cuddle now.
Good night.
Wow. You want to sleep?
Good morning.
I bring breakfast for bed.
We do. Oh.
I remember that time we dey watch a film for our neighbor house for village. When you person do this kind of thing, you say you no go wait, make I do am for you.
Oh.
Thing be say na for village na bench dey, no place to do am. But here, I say I go must do am.
When did you cook this?
You dey sleep that time, so I can't wake up. Say make I cook am sharp sharp.
Ah, you do. Thank you. But swallow and soup in the morning. Is it not heavy?
Today go dey heavy now. Shey you dey go work. Make I bring wetin you go use wash hand. I dey come.
Thank you. I can't believe it. This very morning. Thank you. Have you eaten?
I do okay.
So I'm having to swallow this early morning.
Thank you so much.
Need anything?
It's just work, okay? I'll be back soon. Yeah, and that reminds me, I think we should start with tutorial classes. Then after that, we can enroll you to part-time school.
Toto?
Tutorial class. Then after that, we can reach...
But me, I go see they do my palm oil business.
Yes, definitely.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Oh, mwah. I love you. It's not easy. It won't be easy. But I have to try. Edu loves me, and I love him. So, I'm willing to go the whole process with him.
So, you don't want Mark?
No, I don't want Mark. I mean, he may seem more promising, more learned, and all of that, but no. Edu has always been there. He has already made the sacrifice for me. Most importantly, I love him. And on that note, yes, we are dating again. Anyway, I would like to invite you to dinner tonight so I can introduce you to him.
No. I will pass.
Come on. It's important to me, okay? You're my friend. He's my lover. It would be great if we could get to meet each other.
Okay. I have heard you. I will
Thank
be
you.
there just to make you happy.
Thank you. Okay, first we have to stop by your house so they can change in something more simple.
Okay. I'm doing this just to make you happy.
Thank you so much, baby. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
It cannot happen. I know they're back.
She's my best friend.
Best guinea. Best. Hey, Nepala. Best friend like this?
Lizzie, is he talking to me like that?
Yes, so yes. Well, how can now? Why? See how she dressed now. Why she go dress like this? You know, say you know. Even though now, you don't say you supposed to dress like. You're supposed to dress like woman. How you go wear clothes? Your breast be like one fight person. See, you know makes sense now.
No, stop. You know how these things are. You're my friend. Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you, baby. I'll see you later.
Yeah, bye.
Why would you talk to her like that? What kind of embarrassment is this now?
The thing be say, no be embarrassment is this. I dey tell her waiting go make sense for her.
There are better ways now. There are better ways to do this thing.
Which better way? As I talk about the thing go best am. Make she know say she no suppose to dress like that. No suppose to dress like that. Suppose to dress responsible. And this kind of thing, even if you want wear, now for inside na midnight, no be daytime, go just dey waka everywhere. That's how they put people for temptation. We know they concentrate. 1 minute you won't concentrate, the next minute you don't see something we will make you don't concentrate. Leave am. Kopo, if you first finish, go. Come now, wait till be that. Oh God. Let's know if you concentrate.
What? What do you want?
Bring in Nishi and Queen.
Where did you see this?
The person where they come from the village, we enter first bus, so I say make you buy the first one where they just bring down.
Thank you. It's so long.
Make I bring some to you, use wash hand down. You want me this boy teach me?
He's the tutor.
Which kind of tutor be that? Where the tutor they go? How this boy go? Where we say if I begin born, I don't born somebody like this. I know they like that too.
I know, but
no be I know matter. You don't always insult me, and you know they make sense now. Why they insult me now? Why they insult me?
But I can't.
I can't now. Wait, which kind of stupid talk be that? You come from where to where? If I slap you, go somersault 10 times. If I slap you, go turn purple green. You be like no normal. 2 adults they talk, you talk. You know they fear. Fear no dey your body. So if they leave you, you go. What do you want to teach me now? Not going to teach people A is for apple, B is for ball. talk, he dey talk. You see what he dey cause? Because say I dey follow this bitch. Look at this one. No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, abeg.
I think you should go. I would speak to him and I'll call you back. You too. Thank you. Edu.
No, they talk like that. Which one you carry small people say make you teach me? Which kind smart? So na me know they smart. Face will be safe. I don't feel everything. God just got all my power. I don't feel safe. What I go do now?
By 9 a.m. Spend like 3 hours, so by 12 he should be done. I think you can go for your business.
Okay. My Lisa.
Edu.
Lizzie baby. Anything I go do to make you happy, I will do.
Thank you for doing this. I really appreciate it.
And I have to go because honestly, I am running late.
So you come back when you...
Yes, of course. Do you want anything?
If I want anything, I will make her happy.
It's 1 million.
Okay, I would like you to pay attention to everything I'm going to teach you today. So...
You go want make I pay attention? That's my papa. Even like these children of these days, when I know they fear no day on her eyes. You don't even talk and when we say you pay attention. Okay, sir, they pay attention.
Sir, the right way to say it, children of present days are fearless or bold. That's the right way to say it.
Wait, you correct me?
I didn't mean to, but that's the right way to say it. Yeah.
So I did still tell you, still they correct me. Eh? It be like wow. Children of these days, are the present days.
Yeah, children of present days.
You don't talk about again, sir.
Fearless or bold.
Fearless.
Yes.
So you try tell me say you know pass me.
No, sir, that's not what I mean.
I love I blame.
I'm sorry, sir.
I blame.
I'm sorry, sir.
Baby love, what thing I gonna do for you?
I'm sorry, sir. So, we will just start with English. Do you know the English sounds?
Only if she knows what they take, say how they do them for her. Only if she will understand that.
Sir, can we just go on with the class?
I will nod you now. I see they talk, they tell me go on with it. Okay, man, so for her.
Let's start with the English sound. Did you know the English sounds? Like the vowel and the consonant sounds, like did you know them?
Hello, wait.
The English sounds.
They talk, I hear you.
Now this is A. Can you pronounce the vowel sound A?
Make I pronounce. No be I talk to.
No, sir. I mean the vowel sound, like the letter A. It sounds as ah. Ah. Like when you want to pronounce the vowel, you say ah. That's the vowel sound. So.
Wait, I want to ask you something. It is a. Abi Olodo and
No, sir. But I mean the vowel sound.
No, you just say they use Olodo swear for me, so I know we ever know. Even if they swear for me, at least I know this one. A? A na A?
Sir, the vowel sound A is being pronounced as A. Say A, A, like when you want to say apple. A, A. That is how they pronounce A, like the consonant, like the vowel sound is being pronounced as A.
Oh, not be A again, na A.
Sir, it is A, but it's being pronounced as A, like the vowel sound A, A. Can you just say it? A.
Akamo. Akamo, okay? You don't get sense. You don't get sense, yeah, you know. So you won't wait. My girl, you should bring you here to confuse me.
No, sir, I'm not.
I know they confused in life, oh. I still know what they do for life. You know be this one now. You have use confuse me for this life.
Sir, I am right. A is A. Okay, A is A. So let's just go on with the B. B is being pronounced as bro. Say bro.
Bo.
Bo. That is B.
I carry this thing, they go. Come up from here.
Sir, you are not the one to end our class.
I go slap you. Carry this thing, come up from here. Ana A, Bona Bo. It be like they mad.
Sir, this is it.
Come on, this thing they go from get out of here.
Sir,
You don't do it, they go. They go, you don't do. When you get another thing to teach you, come.
Can we just try again, sir? Like the vowel sounds of the alphabet, like the English alphabet. Please, let's just. I'm right. I can't teach you otherwise.
They go. I'm a retired madman. Make you don't see that side of me. As I tell you now, they go. Quietly carry your things. They do us. They go. Yeah? You don't try. Eyes are boys, bo. Oh yeah. Make you go the good gates. Now. Don't talk again. Swallow up. Swallow that thing when you want to. Huh? The only love if you make me do this thing now. Only love. Everybody. Tell me say make I sit down here, say they will give me money. That one if you make me do.
You sent the tutor home.
The tutor one worry on Akusi. You know they teach me anything. You know get what they teach what I don't understand.
What is it that he was teaching you that you felt you knew better?
No, look at that boy, yo. That small boy, they tell me say A, where we know no be A again na A. B where we know again, no be B again na boy. Now, like I say, what you concern B to boy? I go Buhari. No, you say reason am now.
Talking with one, talking.
No be me now. Now that boy, this when they teach me, and me I know they understand that.
A is A, B is Bo.
B is Bo. Us boy in B. Me I no go they listen to that thing when they talk. Make him go and teach the age mate. That's why I then go feel understand that. But for me I no understand that.
What is this now? Do you know more than him? What is this?
You try me, I know more than him. Yes, as I be person now. As I be person. I dey tell you make you no take person. I go lie for you. As I be person. What you know?
You can't judge people because you think you're older than them. You can't. Even a 1-year-old child can know more than you.
You be so you don't start that thing with the verb. You should be saying one word. Which kind of insult can be that one now? Why they insult me now? It don't make sense now.
You know what? This stress, I can't go through it right now.
Baby Jello, one now. Wait first. Be me now. What should I be? Bo. I'm sorry.
I have a headache, okay? So maybe later.
You get a headache? Baby, I beg, if not because of me you get the headache, I beg. You see that boy? If you want teach me till morning, are they ready? Anything to make you no verse, are they ready to do am? I beg. Make I get to something we go eat. Mago, and bring what you eat. And they come. Yeah?
Was Jane right? Can I really be with you then? No man will ever love me like you do. I love him too. But is love even enough? Can love conquer all our differences?
Okay, I have to rush to work now.
Okay, make I see you.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, I think I saw that one. Okay, please.
You don't actually see Desperate Housewives.
Yeah, it's so interesting. That reminds me. What's up with your guy and his tutor? Hope he's improving.
Yesterday he sent his tutor home. Said the tutor was too young to teach him.
I told you.
It's not easy. It's really not. But girl, I have to try. I have to give our love story a chance.
For how long? Wait till he disgraces you in public. Girl, your car.
Like, your learning today is quite impressive. Like, you've mastered the sounds and know how to use them. So try and pronounce this one again. This. Say this.
No, awesome.
No, sir. Say awesome.
What do you mean first?
Sir, just get the word. Get the word, then I will tell you the meaning.
Tell me what you mean first.
Sir, get the word. Awesome. Say it. Awesome. You can try. You can do this.
Awesome. You don't start. This thing where we just learn now. Everybody there. You don't start, Sabi.
Okay, fine.
You don't want to confuse me. Wait, cure day for here now.
I'm done.
You don't. It's better like that because me and you we don't. See, my phone they ring since. Hello. You don't land. All the picture where you send me, the gallons don't complete too. Okay, Sunday for front. So I know what I come back now, I come back. All that stroke, my brother. I come. Nah. Come go today. If I want to go,
Listen, I already know it won't be easy, okay? I'm only asking. There is hope at least, right? What do you mean by that? Leave God out of this. I'm saying humanly possible. Is there hope? It's okay, I already understand what you mean by that. I'll talk to you later. What do I do? I have until 6 months before the position I worked so hard for will be given to Anne just because she's married and I'm not. What the hell do I do? Hey, Jane. Yeah, I saw the post on social media. Please, I actually have a headache, okay? Can we talk later? Yeah, bye.
I want to know what's up.
Look at him, Olodo, eating. It's only food, dance and sing that he knows. God, I beg. I deserve better.
This is the way they look me and one day could be.
Please, I'm not in the mood for these shenanigans, please. Can you just get out of my room? Just take your local self out of my room.
You don't even know I look. Huh? Which kind of evil spirit is going to disturb you like this?
It's you that has evil spirit. It's you. Evil spirit, demons, it's possessing you right now. Get out of my room, you illiterate!
You want more?
Eh? Get out of my room. I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to treat you like this. I'm so frustrated. Lizzie, you shouldn't be thinking like this. Edu does not deserve it.
Edu what though? Edu what? I don't do. If not learn me, I dey learn no. I don't dey learn. You see that boy? Ask the boy. Today I nearly teach him. He get one thing wey he teach me. Say na I will. Anyway, me I still learn am more, but I will think I will remember am. Make you come chop first, yeah? Please come chop.
Just go.
Come chop.
Thank you. Just go.
Come chop.
I said thank you. Leave.
Come chop.
God, why? Edu, go now. I have heard you.
Yeah. You don't know waiting in the course. You don't reach out the snow now.
This won't be easy. We're so much different from each other now. I love him. Just, Edu has my heart. I mean, I've tried dating other men. It's just not working. I can't bring myself to it. I have to try. At least. Oh, Lord. I really have to try. Give us a chance.
Who they do? Yeah, who they do? I'm your teacher.
Sir,
Come.
I am your teacher.
Kneel down here first. Kneel down here. It be like they send you to separate us.
No, sir. Sir, I'm your teacher. Just sit. Let's.
You dey craze? Kneel down. In fact, you go do jump like 1 hour first before I go flog you. Next time, if you enter family where you don't know, you will respect yourself. You be like the gossiper. They gossip me.
It seems you are joking, sir, right? You are joking.
I'm talking about my friend.
You can't do this. I am your teacher. Sir, you...
Oya, kneel down. Kneel to come on, kneel down.
I am your teacher.
You know they fear.
I am your teacher.
You know they fear. If they come out that bag for there. They use me, they gossip. Now, me and my woman with a quarrel. If I tell her hi, she no go send me, she go go. If I tell her call eat, she no go eat.
Sir, yeah? You can't do this.
Something what don't they do already? They say I can't.
You can't do this, sir. You can't.
Turn this your body. Now she may be like black.
You can't do this. I am your teacher.
Turn your bum. Just look at me, you. Just that was just here.
Mom, that is like a wild animal. Bullied me.
Okay, let's go to the hospital for a checkup first, okay?
See, he's going to pay for everything he has put me through.
It's okay, I'll pay. Or I will pay. I'm really sorry. Just let's leave here first.
Mom, it's because of you. It's because of you. If not, I could have sued that man. I belong to the Association of Teachers.
I apologize, okay? Just pardon him, all right? I'll take you to the hospital. I'll do a checkup. I'll sort you out. Just
you just find me something, so I'll be going.
Oh, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
I have your details already.
Okay.
Hold on. I'll send you something right now.
All right.
Yeah, check. You should have received it.
Yeah. Same.
Okay. Thank you. And I'll call you. I'm really sorry.
No problem, ma'am. It's because of you.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, don't sing that nasty song in my house.
This evil spirit never tired to leave you.
I'm here to answer any questions you might have. I'm just gonna have a little good time today. Okay, hi Buchi, thanks for joining. It's been a long time. All right, so today just ask me any questions you want to ask. I will answer. How can you type that? Okay, I can't answer that here. Okay, that's a very personal question. But do know that I am going to answer.
Before now, that video you did. Okay. Phone. You talk to person for phone.
What is this now? No, seriously, what is this? What's the meaning of this? What the embarrassment is this?
Okay, embarrassment. I say me I come in, constant, continue talk. So now me and you did this, I make you no go bite me for Adam's apple, because now so they start. So I don't know say you dey for phone now. Why you can't dey vex? I dey sorry.
They do. Avoid me. In this house, just avoid me.
I go avoid you. Me and person dey for house. The person they talk to himself. He say make I no care. I go no say na the video na he dey do. No even keep the phone where the way we supposed to keep it. Can't go hide them. Where we say
trying to ruin my life with your illiteracy. What is this?
Okay, so what do you want make I do now? What do you want make it come happen? You won't leave me.
If you force me, if you refuse to change, God knows I will.
Baby, you know say I no dey perfect. Even you said no dey perfect. I dey try my best.
I'm not like you. I'm not loud. I don't go around acting like an illiterate.
Baby, that's why I dey when you meet me. That's small. That's small.
Edu, do you know what will be very nice if you can get a hold of your life? Oh no!
You can't. It's hopeless. I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm really done.
Which kind of wahala be this now? I cry my commit to one make she study before I hustle. She like me. She just say she still like me. Okay, maybe say I go lose my baby like this.
The worst part is, he's not even making an attempt to change. Like, do you know the dangerous nonsense memes on social media? There is one of them on TikTok with our voice as soundtrack. Babe, you need to leave me. Denounce him openly so you won't be attached to this nonsense. Stupid the man. So, you're willing to put up with this mockery? Love is not enough. You have grown past its level. Jilting.
This what you are doing now. Person no go chop, they comfortable chop again.
Let me tell you, back then it was when I knew nothing. I can't do this. I can't, look at you. At your age, I can't do this. I just can't.
This is not going to take it. I can't do it.
You know what? I think you're right. It's time I do something drastic. I mean, the time for the promotion at my company is also close. I'll accept the lunch date with Mark. I'll even invite him to the house. That way I'm sure he will leave. I can't wait. I'll talk to you later. Nonsense.
This one you don't carry your motor come out. What's happening?
How is that your business?
My business is being now.
Edu, you should leave my house.
See, me, I don't go anywhere till infinity. Yeah? I don't go anywhere till infinity. Now me and you.
You want me to throw you out, yes?
It's a light play. It's drought. So, may I go my business today? Get some people who are supply oil. So, I can't gather small money. From that money, I say make I use and buy small thing for my baby. Clothes for you. Why I even talk with you about? Not be only clothes. Look inside.
Mark, I should have waited outside.
Well, I thought it might be coming to see.
It's okay. Oh, well, shall we?
What?
My boy, who is this?
He's my man.
Your man. Me, I the woman. I don't understand.
I've told you countless times. This can't work again. I can't. Okay? I've told you, leave my house. Just, you refuse. You keep making sure you're acting the role of a houseboy. Don't worry about it. Edu, cut that. Just cut it. Leave my house. We're over. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Go back to your house and we'll send that idiot out of here.
My house. Not yours. I mean,
You are not even submissive.
Submissive. What does that mean?
What are you?
I'm just telling you, I can't force him out. Once he sees we're dating, he will live on his own.
Why should you argue with me when I give you an order?
Order? In my house?
I'm your boyfriend.
I think that's a little bit too much, please.
You know what? You must do what I say. Nah.
I already told you I will not force him out of my house. Once he sees where I'm dating you, he will live on his own.
Get out.
Excuse me.
Get out of my car, you idiot.
Me? Idiot!
Think I'm joking with you? Get out. Out. Don't let me push you. Get out.
Thank God you showed your true colors now. Can you imagine what I would have dumped my Edu for? Edu.
You want to? You again?
Go back.
Na good thing na all your dem. Good thing. But you know, now you get us to leave, but me I go see what I go do. Na money matter now.
I'm on you. Good things they only for this life. I just save money all day.
I don't say I do like it for this life. It's like you get person where I go work for. Saturday. So if I work and finish, you will pay me. They owe me for work what I do for them before. I will feel it out.
I'm very happy.
We like better thing for this.
Yes, I like better. I like better. You know, supposed like better thing for this. You know, sense you better man and the better woman. You supposed like better thing.
Better thing is there.
Is that what we're looking for?
That is not what I want.
No man can ever love me like I do. He will go through any length to please me. He respects me. No man can love me like him. And I'm in love with him. I don't know what to do.
You know what? Just hold yourself together. Put yourself together. I'm coming right away.
I'm glad he showed his true color early enough. So imagine if I ended up with that guy. Probably in 5 years' time I'll be a divorcee. See, now I understand why some marriage counselors would insist we trigger your partner to be before getting married. Just to see a reaction.
This is the true definition of you can't trust any man. Imagine that Mark that was behaving like one angel.
We've seen it. We've seen it. I just have to go get my Edu back. I can't afford to miss him. I can't love any man the way I love him.
It mustn't be Mark. I mean, if it isn't Mark, you can always find another guy. Or you can find another person, not Edu.
Jane, in all seriousness, if you have any value for our friendship, you never, ever insult the man I love again. And please stop suggesting men to me. Just stop it.
Okay. It's fine. I won't.
Thank you.
How can I? I mean, he was so hurt when he left.
But still, we consider. So.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, I'm looking for someone. Have you seen this man anywhere? Are you sure he's very light skinned? He's not seen him. Can I ask them? Okay, can you help me ask them if they've seen him? Maybe I'll come around tomorrow.
No, girl, seriously. He's not in the village and I don't know where he is. Hope nothing has happened to him. Think so? Okay. Hope I find him. You know what? I'll talk to you later. God. Still Lord help me. Lord help me. 6 months.
It's been 6 months without my Edu.
Babe, you need to move on. Who knows? He might be dead.
Don't you ever say something like that again. How can you? This is the man I love. It's him or no one. Don't ever say that again.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Edu, where have you been? I've been looking for you.
Well, that I don't have anywhere to go, so she took me in, and that's where I've been. That has been my life, and that has been.
Edu, you can't do this. Please, I'm sorry. I've been waiting for you for over a year, and I love you. Please.
Look, I love you too. Okay, that is why I came back. You see, I'm also sorry for everything that happened. I know you were doing everything possible for me to learn, but it's now that I realize that everything you were doing is for the best, for me to, be best and go to school.
Okay, but what about the woman?
Oh, my foster mom, I was coming to that. So she's a billionaire, She has no family at the moment, and she's not feeling fine. So I've been the one taking care of her and also schooling. When I got there, she, same thing you told me that I need to go to school. So she made sure that I start schooling. So I'm multitasking, taking care of her and going to school. Because she has no family. Her husband and children died 40 years ago in plane crash. So I'm just the one she has. Everything happened like a miracle, actually. Like, it's unbelievable. When I tell this story, people doubt it.
I can't even believe it.
So I'm basically the one taking care of her, and she willed everything to me. Everything.
What?
Yes, everything to me. So she's the best thing that has ever happened to me. I have to say that. She's kind-hearted, and of course, I'm there for her all the time. So I can never be a complete man, and she can never be a complete man without coming back for you.
I missed you so much.
Missed you more. So, my foster mother. You mind me?
Do you even have to ask? Of course.
Please, sorry.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, I love you.
Love you, Mom.
I love you so much. And you can speak good English. Look at you.
Well, I was hoping for you to be shocked that
I'm actually going up.
I'm trying, but I'm still learning though. I'm not done with school.
Well, look at you now.
Give me a ring.